Hello friends, today we are going to see the miscellaneous functions which are used in the NC machine. So miscellaneous function is also denoted by M codes. So M codes are used for various NC machine function which are not related to the dimension or a axial moment. Also, they are not related to the actual machining but executes the auxiliary function like a spindle start, spindle stop, coolant on, coolant off, even the optional stop, tool change. Okay, so all these are various functions which can be performed in the miscellaneous. These are the miscellaneous codes. So we'll go one by one in all the miscellaneous functions here. So your first miscellaneous function, that is a M00. M00 is referred to as a program stop. When we are using such type of command, the machine will stop until a start command is entered by the machine controller. You can use the machine code when you have to inspect a certain component when the component is still in machine. So here you can observe the component, we are holding it in the chuck itself and we are measuring the outer OD of this. One more example you can see here also, we are just stop the program and we are measuring the outer diameter of the component. Other one, to remove the chips in the machine, you can use the air. Then you can have to, if you want to analyze the condition of the tool, in that case also you can stop the program and you can see that whether any issue is there in the tool. So basically this is all about a program stop. Second option is the M01, which is called as a optional stop. Optional stop button allows you to stop a program at any spot in the program. Means whenever the program is running, so you can stop it. This command will active only when the option button is on. You can toggle the feature on and off just by pressing the option button there. You can see in this diagram also. In case the optional stop button is off on the controller board, then the machine will not stop even if you are giving the command of a M01. So that is very important. So even if you want to change the tool at that time also, you can just stop if anything happens there, if the tool gets blunt, so you can change the tool just by using the optional stop command. But important thing is that this command will be active only when it is in the on position. Okay. Next is the M02 program end. M02 is used only at the end of the program. Means we are just writing the program, all the blocks there, and at the end of that, we are giving this command, which is M02, which stops the program when all lines of the codes are completed. Means one by one, it will complete the blocks and then at the end we can stop the program. That is the meaning of that. M02 does not rewind the program. So it is very clear that when we are talking in this way, the program cursor will not return to the first block. Right? Means once the program get end here, the cursor will remain here only. Next is the M03, that is a spindle start in clockwise direction. Even M04 is again a spindle start, but in a counterclockwise direction. You can see here is in this case, the spindle is, I'm just showing that the spindle is rotating in the clockwise direction. In M04, the spindle is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. Here also in the end milling cutters, it is rotating in the clockwise direction. One more example we can see here. Here the spindle initially it rotates in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and then see again it rotates in anti-clockwise. Clockwise and anti-clockwise motion can be given by using such a command. So basically M03 in the clockwise direction and M04 counterclockwise direction. But one important thing is that these depend on the location from which we are viewing the spindle. Means always there will be a confusion. Right? So it is always depend where the operator is standing. Okay, so in this direction you can see here the spindle is rotating. That's why in a clockwise, that is M03, in anti-clockwise, or it is called as a counterclockwise, which is denoted by the M04. Your next command is the tool change, that is a M06. Basically, when you want to change the tool automatically, in that case, we are using the M06 command. And this command, it is very clear that we are using the letter T for that tool number, okay, which has been called on the program. So as soon as the controller reads the T number with the M06, it will search the tool magazine for the T number which is specified and rotate and bring the tool into the spindle. So even if you see here also, that automatically the tool get changed by the ATC, okay, as per the tool number which we are giving. If I give in this case 2T02 means it is the tool number 2 which is required for the operations. Here also you can see this is a turret where we are just changing the tool. So the tool will be changed according by using the command M06 with a T2 means tool number, that is a T01, T02, T03 as per your operations. Your next command is the M08, which is a coolant on, and M09 is a coolant off. But in this case, again, we required a coolant pump and a coolant, which is flooded into the machine through the pipe, and which is located nearer to the spindle. And we are directing it towards the cutting of the material by the tool. But one more important advantage is that this cools the tool which get heated by the material cutting force. So in that case, cooling is always required. So here we are just, if you use the command M08, the coolant will get on. And if you use the M09, then the coolant will get off. Then the M30. So basically M30 is indicating the program stop and reset to start, or even you can say that program stop and rewind. What is the meaning of this? So most commonly way of ending the program is with M30. So generally we are not using the M02. We are always using the M30. The reason is very simple when we are using in this way. So which will help the operator to save the time during the mass production. So as soon as the program end, he can place the next component and start the next cycle. And that is called as a rewind. Here also you can see it stop the spindle and turn off the coolant, and the program cursor return to the start of the program. Rewind means, again you can see here, after the last block get over by the M30, then the cursor will move to the first block, and without wasting the time we can start the productions. That's why we are always using the M30 for the program stop and the rewind.